Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the method of making a windowsill made of a metal profile and then lining it with plasterboard, which can later be revetted with ceramic tiles or porcelain stoneware. I believe that this option is an excellent alternative to the well-known plastic, and even the option made of artificial stone. Thanks to the ceiling metal profile used in the installation of drywall, you can create a windowsill of any shape and size. You can decorate this option with anything. I use porcelain stoneware or ceramic tiles. Porcelain stoneware is easy to clean, it does not scratch and does not absorb dirt, and most importantly, in stores, it is presented by a large selection, which allows you to create a windowsill suitable for any interior and taste of the customer. In the presence of an old and durable concrete windowsill, it so happens that the installation of the frame can be carried out directly on it. The main thing is not to forget to warn window installers to leave the old windowsill in place, as well as to agree with the measurer, when measuring a new window, whether there is a free space gap between the old windowsill and the frame of the new window, so that a narrow ceiling profile and a sheet of drywall can be placed between them. If the gap is less, or there is no old concrete windowsill at all, the frame can be assembled like that. First of all, having cut off a piece of a narrow metal profile along the width of the window, I screw it to the bottom of the window frame, in the place intended for attaching the plastic windowsill. Then, on an old concrete windowsill, using self-tapping screws and dowels, I mount pieces of the same profile. Then, I cut sections of a narrow profile, according to its length equal to the future depth of the windowsill, and put it in the transverse profiles screwed to the concrete. After that, on an old concrete windowsill, using self-tapping screws and dowels, I mount segments of the same profile. I fasten the transverse profiles with self-tapping screws to the long profile fixed to the window. Then, a narrow profile equal to the width of the formed windowsill, I put it on the transverse profiles and fix it to them with self-tapping screws. Then, to the bottom of the narrow profile, I attach another one, and put a wide ceiling profile into it. Then, from a narrow profile, I make the lower part of the windowsill, cut grooves in it into which the mounting plates will be inserted. I put the lower narrow profile on the wide one, fasten them with self-tapping screws that go through the profiles and plates. After that, I fix the new windowsill to the bottom of the old concrete one with dowels and screws. Subsequently, I plaster the lower part. If desired, it can be sewn up with plasterboard, plywood or other sheet material. After assembling the frame, I make the upper part of the windowsill from drywall. On a sheet of gypsum board, I mark the locations of the lower profiles. Self-tapping screws will be screwed into them through drywall. I fill the space in the frame with polyurethane foam with a low coefficient of expansion, install the upper part of the gypsum cardboard sill in its place and fix the gypsum board to the frame with self-tapping screws. The windowsill is ready, then you can finish with porcelain stoneware, and if desired, with other finishing materials, but more on that in the next video. That's all, subscribe, good luck to everyone and see you soon.